Hello.
Hello.
Here.
What's the plate number of the truck? From which state?
Georgia.
Going?
To Camping Alouette for a week. It's just east of Montreal.
Are you visiting anyone you know there?
No, just vacation.
Any kind of weapon with you? Firearms?
No.
What's it?
Thank you. And
It was that easy.
that's about as easy as it gets.
We are in Montreal, Quebec.
Yes, we're in Montreal. Oh, horn. It's not. Are you picking your nose?
I hit my nose ring and I almost ripped my little corkscrew out. That was
That's not
very
good.
painful.
Well, it's not the right flavor, but it'll do. Get some wings. All right, guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. So glad to have you here as always. So yeah, I guess they didn't investigate us too much or watch too many of the videos because they let us back into Canada. We are here just east of Montreal at Camping Alouette, and we are heading back into the city today to do the hop on hop off tour. Spoiler alert, we already did it yesterday, but the tickets are good for 2 days. So recommendation, if it's like that where you're at on your hop off tour, if the tickets are good for multiple days, spend the first day and just nonstop ride the entire tour 1 or 2 times. The tour here was 2 hours. That gives you enough time, and the narrator tells you about everything that you're going by and all the stops, so you can plan out what you want to get off and see the next day. So that's what we're doing. We've got great weather today. However, it's a lot colder today than it was yesterday, and yesterday, as you'll see, it was cold. But we are headed back in. We're headed to the Notre-Dame Basilica, which I really want to see. There's an underground shopping mall, underground city. I don't know what that means. So stick around. You don't want to miss anything. All things Canada on this episode of Home on the Hitch, and French lessons with Thomas throughout the episode on pronunciations of all the French words. So, yep. In case you guys are lost and you're in Montreal, this is the 4th most used start to the Alcan Highway. So if you don't want to go to Dawson City, you can come, or Dawson Creek, you can come here to Montreal to start the Alcan, the Maison Alcan. This is the Mireille Tower des Songs. So you sing there.
And here's where you go for your Bonaventure. Bonaventure.
If you want one adventure,
One good adventure.
right there. Awesome. What's the matter with you?
I'm freezing. I'm still shaking. I'm so cold.
It's cold. It was cold out there. And I don't know that I've ever seen one of these before, but it's a pizza vending machine. So there you go. Pizza vending.
Who knew?
Almost, which is, I hadn't had anything to eat yet. So we're gonna get back on the hop on, hop off bus, but we did a little different today. And that's one of the benefits of kind of going around and riding the whole tour. We parked Cindy's truck yesterday, and probably the tightest parking deck that we could find anywhere.
Like sardines in a
oh, it's
can.
crazy. But we saw this on one of our stops, this is one of the hop on, hop off stops, this huge parking lot. So we took about 10 or 15 extra minutes, drove over here today, parked the truck, no muss, no fuss. So we're gonna get on, and I think our first stop that we're gonna get off at is Notre-Dame Basilica, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's gonna be great. So stick around with us, learn all about it, and then I'm gonna do Like I said earlier, French lessons with Senor Tomas. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, yes. I don't look suspicious at all. All right, guys, so welcome to the Notre-Dame Basilica here in Montreal. It's not a cathedral, it's a basilica, so apparently there's a difference. I guess this is the first religious parish that was here in Montreal. That's why it gets the title of basilica. We are going to head over. It looks like they're doing construction on it. We're going to head over, see if we can get a ticket to go inside and tour. Hopefully they're going to allow video. They didn't really allow video inside the Notre-Dame Cathedral in Paris, but hopefully it's different here. We'll let you know. We're going to take it along with us if we can. We're going to light this candle for everyone that we can. If you've lost someone close to you, this one's for you. To all those suffering from the recent hurricane damage, we're thinking about you. We love you. If you're a veteran or if you are deployed and away from your family, it's for you as well. Or if you're just locked up within yourself right now, I just want you to know we're thinking about you. We love you. We'll be praying for you. So that was definitely pretty amazing, right?
Oh my gosh, it brought back so many memories.
It's all the colors and just the roof of the basilica. So many memories of us getting to see Notre Dame before, tragically in Paris,
right.
the cathedral before it burned. But if you get here to Montreal, it's 16 Canadian per person. Came out to about $13 a person, but it's worth
it.
Worth the visit. It's beautiful. Center your soul a little bit. Everybody needs that. Here we go. Well, so French with Thomas. This is Les's Cupcakes.
It's Les what?
Les Glaçures, which means cupcakes, but Les owns this place. So
Well,
Les Cupcakes.
Glaçure is the glaze on top of the cupcake.
Oh,
The
sorry.
frosting.
Yeah, I thought no. You're
Cupcakes or gâteau.
Ghetto Cupcakes.
Gâteau is
Okay.
cake.
Les's Cupcakes. Lesson number one. So,
Go to the Atwater.
in all our excitement, we have
But there's
jacked up the return
Atwater,
plan.
which is an open air farmer's market now, and all the food
We have
and
messed
everything.
up the plan to get back to the truck, and we possibly may have missed the bus. So, but, oh yeah, those people were not waiting on the bus. So, okay, maybe they are. If not, we're going to go down, find the closest metro station. Possibly.
We hope we are.
Okay. All right. Well, we missed it. So we're going to the metro station. Plan C is to find the metro station and go to the Atwood station, and then we're going to walk to the truck after that. And there's the metro right there. That's fine. Look, the metro station's right there. Let's go have an adventure down there. See, metro. Oh, Cindy.
Oh, I wonder if we get to go through the Paris metro sign. Is that
Oh.
going on the other side there?
I don't know. Have you ever been on the metro?
No.
Let's do it. So a big tip for traveling to cities that you've never been to, figure out how to use the public transit system. That's going to be your best friend. We did make it back downtown the next day after we missed the bus. Did a little research, found the metro map, got our metro card pass for the weekend. We were able to pretty much navigate the city with ease. France donated one entrance to the Square Victoria metro station entrance. If you go there, the entrance it has a big metropolitan sign, and it looks exactly like the entrances to the metro in Paris. So we went there specifically to take pictures and to see it because we loved our time in Paris, and it brought back a lot of memories. Just sitting outside, actually with everybody speaking French around you, made you feel like you could have possibly been there. So when we go places like this is the stuff that Melissa absolutely lives for. So I really try to do the best that I can to facilitate as much of it as possible, because this kind of stuff right here is what makes her happy, and that is what's important. So one of the stops that Melissa wanted to make was to this open air market, which we did. It's like an open air farmer's market. Part of it's inside, but half of it's outside. Just fruit, vegetables, meat, bread. Inside this bakery right here, the line was wrapped around the entire counter, which is like 300 feet long. The smell, if you've ever been inside of like a French bakery that is actively baking bread or donuts or pastries, incredible. And if there was one person in line, there was 200. What is it? What is it? You stole it?
Yeah, I did.
No.
I did. You know what it tastes like? A muscadine.
Tastes like jail time. In a French Canuck jail.
I know. Sometimes I lead you astray.
Yes, you do, but it's okay. A lot of construction going on in Montreal, but we got on the metro. We're able to head down to St. Paul Street, and that is a huge tourist destination. The brick line street is closed to auto traffic, so there's people just walking everywhere. Street performers, creameries, creperies, bakeries, souvenir shops. The waterfront is down there with all the ships. You can spend the entire day down there. So with all that said, we got to wrap up our time here in Montreal. We are headed back south. It's getting cold. We've had great weather, but it's been a little chilly. They're expecting snow next week for us, so it's time for us to head back to Georgia, which we will be heading out in the morning. We just want to say we love you guys. Take care of yourself. Take enough time to do some self-care and love yourself. Love those that are around you. Be kind to everyone. It doesn't take any energy, any extra life energy, just to be kind. So anyway, till next time, guys, we love you. Take care of yourself. Make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys.